Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about cast iron and steel. So first of all, what is difference between cast iron and the steel? If if carbon content is less than or equals to 2.14%, then this material is steel. It is generally made up of iron plus carbon. It is an alloy of iron and carbon. Okay, alloy of iron and carbon is known as both steel as well as cast iron. But if the carbon content is less than or equals to 2.14%, then it is called steel, and if it is greater than 2.14%, then it is called cast iron. Okay, now cast iron is mainly divided into four parts. Cast iron is divided into four parts. First part is grey cast iron. In grey cast iron, whatever the carbon content, whatever the carbon present in the cast iron, they all changed into a graphite. They all will change into a graphite, and because of this graphite only, the color of the cast iron changed to grey color. This is grey cast iron. It is mainly used in making agricultural machines like plough, which is used for ploughing the field, etc. Then second one is white cast iron. In white cast iron, whatever the carbon present in the cast iron, that get changed into a cement, or we can say iron carbide, Fe3C. It is getting changed into a Fe3C, that is called iron carbide. Okay, it is getting changed into iron carbide, and because of this iron carbide, its color is white of the cast iron, and it have the good strength as comparison to cast iron, and it is mainly bear wear and tear, means it resists the wear and tear, and that's why it is used in what we can say roller in chakki. In chakki we are using it as a roller. That roller is made up of white cast iron, and as well as because its wear and tear property is more, so it is also used in making train wheels. Train wheel is also made up of white cast iron. Okay, then third part is malleable cast iron. Then malleable cast iron. How the malleable cast iron are made? When we heat white cast iron for prolonged period of time, then we get malleable cast iron. Malleable cast iron can also be formed from the grey cast iron. When we heat grey cast iron, then the graphite of grey cast iron get changed into a small round particles, or you can say small round particles, and this is about our malleable cast iron. Then one last is One last cast iron is nobler cast iron. Nobler cast iron. It is generally made. Nobler cast iron is generally made by mixing alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals into liquid form of grey cast iron. This nodular cast iron also have good resistance against wear and tear. Its tensile strength is also high. So that's all about all the types of cast iron. Thank you for watching this video.